I really wish I could say that this title was just me being like really, really dramatic. It's not. This flu has ruined not my life, but definitely my week. Definitely my week. So here's what's happening, because it's been a while. Last week, it had been 2 weeks since I'd uploaded, and I was like, oh, let me film a vlog. And I was really, really, really hungover. So instead of filming a Come Thrift with me, I was like, let me film getting my life back together. And I filmed this really cute vlog. I opened up and it was really wholesome. And then I went back to edit it. And I realized that when I got my phone screen fixed, it broke my microphone. Not really sure how that works. So turns out you cannot really fix audio in post-production if it's crap. So that was a whole 3 days of my life out the window, and some really cute outfits I might add. When I went to sit down and edit it, I was like, okay, well, I've tried this for hours and it's not gonna go anywhere. That's fine, because there's gonna be a great vlog coming out the following week because I'm going to Berlin. Today it is Saturday. Today is Friday. Not Saturday. It's Friday the 21st of February. I was meant to go to Berlin at 4 a.m. yesterday, and on Wednesday I got the flu. So that was great. I requested days off work this weekend for this, and now they're just, you know, I could have just called in sick because I have the flu. I didn't get to go. And the flights are non-refundable. Thank you, Ryanair. This is not going great. And then one of my best friends from college, it's her birthday party today. I also can't go because I'm quarantined in my room. How did I get the flu, you may ask? I was at a party last weekend and someone showed up with the flu and got me and like 6 of my friends really sick with the flu. Yeah. This is the first day that I've actually been like coherent. Every flu symptom you can think of, I've had it. It has not been a good few days. But yeah, I woke up on Wednesday morning. I was like, I cannot go and share a hostel room with 6 people. We're not going to do that. So now we're here. I've been playing Dress to Impress like a 9-year-old. I downloaded Roblox. I considered downloading The Sims, and then I decided that was really just not what I needed. So I'm living in filth in my quarantined room, with my temperature and my cough, and missing out on everything ever. I have the biggest FOMO in the world, if you know me. I hate missing out on anything, and I'm actually missing out on everything. I'm supposed to be in Berlin right now meeting Andrew Scott and going to premieres, and just, this is not the worst weekend of my life, but it's up there. So I thought I'd start a vlog. I don't know why, because I'm not going to be getting out of my pajamas. I paid for a blowout, and I got my blowout on Tuesday, and that was a waste because, and I got my hair done. It is really pretty, but no one saw my blowout, and my room's a mess, even though I cleaned it in the video I filmed for you last week that's never going to see the light of day. And I could do college work, but I'm not going to do college work. I'm going to leave that for Monday when I'm super stressed, and then I have to do my group project on Tuesday where that's 60% of my grade, because I have the flu. So nothing is my problem right now, apart from that. I've set myself up for failure with my New Year's resolutions this year. I don't know if I said what they were, but one of them was to work out loads, which I have been sick since, I think I've been sick the whole year. This is my 2nd or 3rd round of steroids and antibiotics. Shout out to amoxicillin. That working out and eating healthy because of that has not been the best. And then I was gonna, be great on YouTube. I've been mediocre at best. Not to be mean to myself or anything, but we can give myself this one because the phone thing wasn't my fault and the flu thing is not my fault. Berlin one would have been great though. Maybe would have gotten famous. Anyway. We can keep one of my New Year's resolutions. And that one is, I hope I've been looking at the camera this whole time. I don't think I have. There's one New Year's resolution that can be kept. And that is the Positive Affirmations book. It's not affirmations. What I'm supposed to do is write down every day a good thing that's happened. As you can imagine, I've been lacking this week because not many good things have happened. My hair does look fabulous though. And I have fake tan on. So kind of look great for a sick person. Not to brag. And I would love to like do my favorite hobby and try on outfits right now, but if I move around for more than like 3 minutes at a time, my temperature will go off the charts. So I haven't written down anything good that's happened to me since the 12th. When was the 12th? 2 days before Valentine's Day. Okay. Valentine's Day was a Friday. Oh, yes. 13th. I went out. That was a good day. 14th, Valentine's Day. That was good. Hashtag boyfriend. I'm just gonna write hashtag boyfriend. No, you know what? The gluten-free pizza and the wine there. The 15th. The night of the super spreader party flu. We had a great time dancing though, me and my friends. So all of the ones that were dancing the best, we all got the flu. Partied a little too hard, I think. Ah, yes. Work was good. 17th, not a great day as far as days go, but I had editing class and I got to be a complete camera nerd because I am a camera YouTuber vlogging nerd. He asked the class what are the possible like qualities on YouTube, and I just listed them. Got a few giggles for that. But I've never claimed to not be chronically online, because I am, and I've been since I was like 7. You know what, I'm not gonna be mean to myself. The 19th was the day I had to decide I wasn't going to Berlin, and that was not a good day. I'll let myself be negative once. I have been doing this since January 1st. I haven't written anything negative, so even on the worst days, I'll give myself a pass. Because I had to cancel Pilates too. I also went to Pilates in my getting my shit together vlog. I have a nail appointment for next week. That's exciting. So hopefully next week I'm not sick, tanned, blonde, and have my nails done. And I'm going to a ball. And I think I should get ready on camera because I think that would be really funny. So I'm going to do that. 20th. Package came. I think 2 packages came. Got this really cool Morgan de Toi top. Ooh, I'll show you. Look at this. Oh, it's inside out. It's like this mesh top. It is see-through. But then you don't necessarily have to wear a bra because the print kind of covers it. I probs will though. But it's so like rocker chick. Also, I would be just cute under a t-shirt, I reckon, because it's like mesh. But I also got these Jennifer jeans because I saw someone on TikTok post and they were like, best low-rise jeans. And I was like, oh, I see these on the French Vinted all the time. Look at her. They're boot cut. They're kind of low-key. They fit my legs perfect, but like my waist, not so much. Wow, look at the boot cut. They were like €3. Kind of went insane on Vinted after work the other day because I had a really bad day. Little did I know the week would get worse. I've spent like €300 this week. It's okay, I'm a working woman. It's fine. What day is it today? 21st. What good thing happened today? Not a great day. It was sunny. What a sad little life, Jane. There we go. Caught up on my positivity journal. I feel like there's not much to do now because I can't like clean my room or anything because if I make my bed, I'm just gonna be back in it in 2 minutes. So there's kind of no point. Maybe I'll finish watching the movie I have to watch for class. I don't know. I'm gonna try vlog in my quarantine because, first of all, throwback. Major throwback. Oh, I bought something else. I have problems. I got this, I went to the charity shop on my way to get my hair done. And I got this Guess bag. And they also had a black one, and you should go for the black, but the brown one looked in better nick. It's like all really nice leather, and it's monogrammed leather, if you can see. And it's actually silver hardware, but I do still like it. It's like the perfect shoulder bag as well. It's not going anywhere in the club. Have I shown you these? I love these. Don't cancel me, though, because they're controversial. I don't care. I like them. Last but not least, well, I replaced my makeup because I was supposed to be going to Premiere, if I haven't mentioned that already. Got the e.l.f. concealer. And I got Rimmel Stay Matte Powder in the colour Translucent. That's all for now. Here's one two New Year's resolutions we're trying again. YouTube, though, I have free will. I can do what I want. Working out's not my fault right now, or the eating healthy. I don't care. I'm sick. I've been sick. I can't remember the last time I wasn't sick. Anyway. Positivity journal, though. Going great. I'll get around to being perfect at YouTube eventually. But that's all. Okay, that's way too close for someone who's looking this unwell. So I'm just gonna back right up there. I'm so mad I'm missing this party right now. This is the other thing, I'm such an idiot. My last vlog I was doing where I was like being a clean girl, I stayed in on a Friday night. Oh, I guess it was 2 weeks ago then, from now. So I only hadn't uploaded for like a week. See, this is my problem. One thing goes wrong, I realize the audio is bad. Instead of just like filming a different video and getting over and on with it, I'm like, oh, I can fix it. No, you can't. Who do you think you are? You cannot fix it. It's fine. I stayed in on a Friday night, and apparently it was a good Friday night. And you know what? I should have gone out. And it's times like these that I realize I should have gone out all those other times. To be fair, I did have a chest infection at the time, and I was on steroids and antibiotics, but I was not as sick as I am now. This is why you should always go out while you're young, because you can sleep when you're dead or when you're sick. If this autofocus would work for 5 seconds, that would be great. I have nothing else to say for now. Sorry if I wasn't looking at the camera again. Bye-bye.